Hi, I would like to talk to you a little bit today about the course overview. What is WRIT 101? Well, WRIT 101 it's a lot of things. Obviously, it's a writing course, but it's also the main general education course for writing, and it's largely transferable. I've taught a lot of WRIT 101s at a lot of campuses, and so for the most part, I see a lot of similarities for WRIT 101 nationwide, and this course is designed right to fit that mold. Um, just to give you some examples here, you may find some language like this in your course syllabus. It might be a little different. Every instructor is going to have it a little bit different. But I like to let students know some of the expectations. Um, Largely, I expect to really push the course objectives and make sure that we thoroughly approach all of these things as writing as a means for critical inquiry, reading text thoughtfully, analytically, and critically, developing multiple flexible strategies for writing, demonstrating an understanding of research. There'll be a lot of APA writing in this course, formulating assertions about a given idea or issue, and supporting evidence, demonstrating proficiency in conventions of language. So your editing, your sentence structure, right, comma, usage, punctuation, all those conventions. Also about structuring, formatting your essay, and rhetorical situations, which is sort of it's persuasive or argumentative writing, organizing logical thoughts, and understanding the importance of self-editing. So those are the learning objectives for the course. How we approach that is going to be in 4 different essays. There will be sort of a narrative expository essay in Unit 1 that really thinks about how our brain works and how we make decisions. It's a very interesting unit, and it's just a primer to get us started. So no research or anything of that nature, but hopefully starting to develop good thoughts that we revise, we sharpen, we edit, we learn how to format. And so quite a few of these learning objectives will be there. We'll do an analysis essay for Unit 2, and there we'll be looking at some issues and really analyzing them, not looking necessarily for solutions, not necessarily for well, maybe some causes, right? But analyzing an issue so we stop viewing things as sort of black and white. And then Unit 3 is a research paper. It's a persuasive essay, and that will dig heavily into APA style and finding good research and putting together that nice, complete, big essay, that research essay that you're going to be expected as you go to 200, 300, and 400 level courses. And then finally, there will be another analysis essay at the end, a shorter piece that we use to assess our writing students and our writing courses in general. So overall, you go from sort of lighter to really intense. We're going to learn a lot of research and citation style. We're going to focus a lot on our ideas for this course, right? We need good ideas to have good writing. And that is this course sort of in a nutshell. It's going to be quite a bit of work. It's not an easy course because there's no second writing course. We're trying to do all of it in a single semester. So it's a little bit intense. Do plan for an online course to spend 6 to 8 weeks working right on your course material. And that is a realistic expectation. If you're in a face-to-face class and you're meeting 3 times a week, right, then maybe you're only working 4 or 5 hours a week outside of class, right? So do plan and that accordingly with your schedule. Think about your work schedule, think about your other obligations, and plan accordingly. Thank you, and I'm glad to have you in class.